Hello everyone, Nasir here. In this video I'm going to analyze gold once again. We've had a lot of movement on gold, so let's have a look at this. On my last analysis I actually was expecting gold to drop from around the 1915 ish level. Everything was looking okay until of course we had these catastrophic news about Russia and Ukraine, and gold just shot up. So unfortunately, I'd get that very wrong, unfortunately. However, one part that I did get right, which is when price reaches around the 1960 level, it would pull back. And it did pull back down to 1900 and below. I wasn't sure if it would go below 1900. But since then, we've got a lot of a sideways movement, and we've got price sort of crawling back up. So I'm looking for a potential long position here, actually looking for a buy on gold. There was an ideal buy position down here around 1880, and I think we're going to get a pullback close to somewhere around 1910, 1900, and if we do, that would be a good opportunity to do a buy. My only concern would be, if I just zoom in, my only concern would be if we get that pullback down to around 1910, around 1900. If it does dip below 1900, then I'd be really worried. I'd be worried that this isn't going to continue the bullish move and head towards 2000. So that would be quite an easy trade actually, because then we can have a stop loss just somewhere below 1900. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for gold to pull back close to 1910, 1900, and from there onwards I'm looking for a buy on gold to take this up to 2000, possibly beyond. I can't see beyond 2000 on my charting and technical analysis, so I'd only go as high as $2,000 for gold. After that, I'd probably sit out, see what happens, find for look for some signals for gold retreating and heading back down. And when it does head back down, I think we're gonna have a disastrous fall, something that just goes right down through 1900, through 1800 and below. But that's for another analysis. For now, just to recap, I'm looking for a buy position somewhere around 1910, 1900 to take gold up to 2000. Let's see if this works out. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.